The progressive formation of carbonates creates a domino effect. It increases soil pH and restricts nutrient availability and impedes the physiology of plants, which then induces and leads to waterlogging, black layer, salt accumulation, thatch buildup, moss, and conditions for soil and plant pathogens to flourish. To prevent all of this from getting worse, the golf and turf industry adopted a standard cultural practice of aerating, closing down the course, punching holes, filling them up with sand, as a way of restoring air penetration back into the soil profile, a practice I know you superintendents would like to avoid because it results in irate members, loss of revenue, takes time, and is expensive. And it has also caused your industry to place a tremendous emphasis on plant breeding and cultivar development to find new genetic strains of turfgrass more adaptable and resilient to alkaline and saline soil water conditions, which is really a solution oriented to live with the problem instead of solving it. Some golf courses have even resorted to installing reverse osmosis filtration systems, thinking that if they removed all of the dissolved salts from their irrigation water, it would solve their problems once and for all, only to discover that they now have high energy and maintenance costs, brine to dispose of, and it made their water too pure, to where it requires adding salts such as gypsum, calcium sulfate, back into the water they just filtered, to break up the surface tension to enable it to penetrate and infiltrate into the soil, which obviously defeats the whole purpose and reasoning behind installing a reverse osmosis system to remove the salts in the first place.